Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel Melissa's Tea's Kitchen, and for today's video I'll be making a bumblebee tuna video. So guys, I have my list of ingredients here. I have some diced tomato, diced onion, 1 egg, some scallion, some thyme, and the bumblebee tuna, breadcrumbs, thyme, sweet pepper, lettuce, my cornbread that I'm using for the video. So guys, in a small bowl I'm going to add my bumblebee tuna. So I'm going to pull it and drain off the oil and come back. So guys, I finished doing that. Here's my tuna here in the bowl. And to ensure that you have accuracy, I'm going to add, I don't use any measurement, but 1 tablespoon each of all the seasoning. So 1 tablespoon of onion, 1 tablespoon sweet pepper, 1 tablespoon of scallion. This is optional, so if you don't want any scallion, you have to add it. Then I'm going to put about a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. This is like a thickening base for it, so we need to add the breadcrumbs. I'm also going to add some thyme. I remove some of the thyme leaf from the stalk, so I'll just add it like that. Finally, I'm going to add my egg. I'm just going to beat it first before I add it to my tuna. So guys, I'm going to add some hot pepper sauce to this. Now this is optional, you don't have to add it if you don't want to add it. But based on the recipe that I follow, they say we should add hot pepper. So now I'm going to combine everything together. So stir it until it's well combined and then set it aside. Now for our lettuce that we're going to use, I'm going to soak it in some salt water. So guys, off camera I shaped and roll my dough, so you take the mixture, roll it, use a little flour if you have to, and then shape it in your hands in a I'm going to fry my tuna burgers on both sides for about 10 to 15 minutes. Golden brown, turn on the other side and allow the other side to become golden brown. So I want to cook it evenly on both sides. Here I have my bread. You can use whatever bread that you have. I just bought this one, so I'm using this one. So guys, time to assemble our tuna burger. So first you have our bread. You add a sauce to your bread. So I add mayonnaise and ketchup. Then I add my lettuce leaves. I'm going to then add my tuna burger. I was trying to set it perfectly on the lettuce leaf so it stays steady here. Then I'm going to add a slice of cheese. After adding my cheese, I'm going to add one more lettuce on top. And then I put on my bun, and there you have it guys. Bumblebee's tuna burger recipe video. Now I followed the recipe to a T. It turned out well. I add and substituted whatever I need, but here it is. So a different side of it. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in my next video.